This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assessing the scalp and shortlisting immediate fixes. Check for irritation, oiliness, and pattern hair loss so you know what to treat. Once done, switch to a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo used 2 to 3 times weekly and add a 1 to 2 minute scalp massage to boost circulation. Make sure to correct obvious deficiencies, get vitamin D and ferritin checked, and start supplements only if tests show low levels. This addresses metabolic contributors to hair fall early. Now apply targeted measures that drive regrowth. Use topical minoxidil 5% once daily to stimulate follicles. Apply to a dry scalp and spread evenly, then wait before styling. Meanwhile, make sure to reduce mechanical stress, sleep on a soft pillowcase, avoid tight hairstyles, and cut back on heat tools. Also optimize nutrition. Aim for protein-rich meals and adequate iron, zinc, and omega-3s because follicles need building blocks. Once those are steady, you'll see better response to topical therapy. Finish by turning this into a maintenance system and knowing when to escalate. Track progress with photos every 4 weeks and evaluate at 3 and 6 months because follicles take time to respond. If there's no improvement, make sure to consult a dermatologist to discuss oral finasteride or procedures like PRP. They'll rule out underlying causes. If things go wrong, recheck medications, thyroid, and increase scalp blood flow with massage or microneedling. This troubleshooting finds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.